Hello, Ndewo. Welcome to LIBC. LIBC stands for Learn Igbo by Conversation. We are an organization dedicated to teaching the Igbo language to the Igbo diaspora all over the world, be they in the UK, the USA, Canada, Europe, or wherever. We run Igbo classes by Zoom at very affordable rates. You heard me, very affordable rates. We only charge £3 for a class, and our classes last for 1 hour. Our rates are unbeatable and cannot be matched by anyone else. If you're interested in joining one of our Igbo classes, then please click on our website in the description box. You can book our classes via our website. Our website is www.learnibo-byconversation.com. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It will help our channel to grow. That is it for today. Thank you for watching. Until our next video, goodbye. Komesia.